This is a butthole and these are hemorrhoids. How did they get there? Why are they here? And how do you get them to go away? Your brain is telling your butthole to make these nasty hemorrhoids, and it is caused by stress. It is either an identity conflict or a territorial anger conflict. And so what happens when we're conflict active with these things, I don't know what decision to make, I don't know what to do with my life, oh, this person makes me angry. This tissue, the rectum surface mucosa, responds with cell loss, and you're gonna get these fun anal fissures. But when you resolve the conflict, this tissue gets restored with cell proliferation, and you eventually will get these hemorrhoids if the conflict is constantly on and off, on and off, on and off. So in order to get rid of your hemorrhoids for good, you need to change something in your life to make this conflict impossible to experience again, because the body is making these hemorrhoids. It's a survival mechanism. Not a very good one, but it's a survival mechanism.